At the northernmost point on Earth, the North Pole, is a world covered in ice and snow. The sky here is blue and high as if it goes straight to the sky of the universe. For the human beings on the Earth, this frozen world is too cold and lonely, and people dare not approach easily. But in such extreme cold, life is also bred. One day a few years ago, Canadian researchers took a helicopter to Ellesmere Island. This island is located at the northernmost tip of the Canadian Arctic archipelago. It has a severe cold climate and is full of rolling icebergs and winding glaciers. The annual average temperature is only -20 degrees Celsius. When a bright yellow snow appeared in the white world, the researchers smiled with relief. In the hearts of researchers, the value of this piece of yellow snow even exceeds that of gold, because here, the key to human beings to unlock the mysteries of alien creatures may be hidden. This patch of yellow snow was first spotted in the 90s. At that time, Benoit Beecham, director of the Institute of Arctic Environment at the University of Calgary in Canada, came to the Arctic for investigation. When he got here, he unexpectedly discovered that there were many small bubbles constantly emerging from the yellow holes, which were large pieces of sulfur accumulated on the surface of the glacier. Beecham immediately realized that this was an extremely rare phenomenon and decided to study it with the help of geochemists. At his invitation, in 1999 and 2001, Steve Gillespie, a geochemist from the Canadian Geological Survey, visited the site of this sulfur spring twice. After testing the water quality here, Gillespie found that there are more than 20 different microorganisms growing in the sulfur spring. This shows that in such an extremely cold environment, there are still many kinds of organisms that can survive. This discovery cannot help but surprise Gillespie. In such a harsh environment, it is very difficult for life to obtain oxygen, but microorganisms can obtain the essential elements of life from the sulfate minerals of ice and snow through chemical reduction process. In fact, the study of Arctic sulfur springs is not the ultimate goal of scientists, because they hope to find clues that can help find extraterrestrial life. In the solar system, there are not many planets suitable for the existence of life. Among them, Saturn's sixth largest moon, Saturn is considered to be one of the most suitable places for life to exist. The snow-covered satellite is very similar to the Arctic environment. From this, scientists guess, is there an ocean made of water or other liquids under the ice and snow on the surface of Enceladus? If so, could life exist in the oceans here? In fact, oxygen exists on Enceladus, and scientists have long believed that sulfur exists on this moon. If this is the case, Enceladus will undoubtedly become the best place to search for the existence of extraterrestrial life. But research on Enceladus cannot be carried out due to conditions. In this case, the Ellesmere Island in front of me has become a rare substitute place. From the extremely similar environment, Ellesmere Island is arguably the best model of Enceladus on Earth. If scientists further study the sulfur springs on Ellesmere Island, will they make more valuable discoveries? Perhaps, sulfur springs are really pregnant with life that also exists on other planets. Do you think this is possible? Please leave a message and let me know.